unforgettable fried long beans home-style dish is here. Simple but very delicious and tasty.
The savory saltiness of olive vegetables blends with the mild sweetness of long beans, creating a savory and appetizing flavor that pairs perfectly with rice. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. You only need 3 ingredients: long beans, shiitake mushrooms, and olive vegetable. Vegan anchovies is optional. Wash the long beans, remove the ends, and cut them into sections. The vegetarian anchovies will be crispier and more delicious if air-fried, but you can omit them if unavailable. Stir-fry the shiitake mushrooms without any oil first until fragrant, then add the olive vegetable and stir-fry together. Stir-fry the long beans over medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until the surface is slightly wrinkled but still crisp. This creates a tender yet firm texture that perfectly carries the savory flavor. If it's too dry, add 2 tablespoons of water and continue stir-frying. Since the olive vegetable is already seasoned, add salt or mushroom powder to adjust according to your taste if needed. How can you tell if the long beans are cooked through? They'll turn a darker shade of green, feel tender but still a little firm to the bite, and that raw beany taste will be gone. Simply stir-fried and done plated up and it's ready to eat. Long beans are rich in dietary fiber, which promotes intestinal motility and prevents constipation. The abundant vitamin C helps enhance the body's resistance to healthy fats in olive vegetables benefit cardiovascular and brain health. This dish is low in calories, suitable for weight-conscious individuals. Potassium in long beans helps maintain stable blood pressure. Long beans are rich in dietary fiber, which helps promote intestinal motility and prevent constipation. They are packed with vitamin C, which enhances the body's resistance to illnesses. With a low glycemic index and high fiber content, they help slow down sugar absorption. Long beans contain vitamin K and manganese, essential for maintaining strong bones. They provide iron, which helps replenish nutrients and reduce the risk of anemia. This dish is relatively high in salt content, making it unsuitable for individuals with hypertension or kidney conditions. People with sensitive digestive systems may experience discomfort from the fibrous long beans and should consume it in moderation. Those with allergies to legumes or preserved foods should avoid this dish entirely. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. Did you know, in Southeast Asia, long beans are considered lucky beans and are hung on doorways during New Year celebrations to symbolize health and longevity. Surprisingly, NASA once selected long beans as a candidate for space farming experiments due to their ability to thrive in confined growth environments. Most fascinatingly, the tendrils of long bean plants are thermosensitive. They automatically coil up to avoid heat stress when temperatures exceed 35 degrees Celsius, 95 degrees Fahrenheit. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.